Hello and welcome to this Python tutorial series. We are studying Python data structure dictionary. In today's video, we will see dictionary method keys. Keys method returns a dictionary object which is a list containing all the keys of the dictionary. If you do any changes in the original dictionary, the changes will be reflected in the dictionary object keys. Let's start. First, we create a dictionary D7 having key value pairs. You have 5 elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 having keys as 2, 3, 10, key 4 and 10, 20. We check all the methods available inside the dictionary dir and dictionary name D7. Click on the cell, run the cell. It will display all the method available inside the dictionary D7. It has a method available as keys. We check the information regarding the keys method. Syntax is dictionary name D7 dot method name keys followed by a question mark. Click on the cell, run the cell. You will see the information. It creates a satellite object providing a view of D's key, where D is the object which is calling the keys function. It is a built-in function or method. Let's cross-check this. As it is creating an object, we store the object in obj is equal to, and we call the keys method d7.keys. Method does not contain any parameter. Dictionary view object is created. Okay, here you require S. Dictionary key object will be created. If we check the content of the object obj, you can see, click on the cell, run the cell. You can see a view object of dictionary keys is created having all the keys of the dictionary inside the list. If you do any changes to the object, for example to a D7 dictionary, we are adding a new key value pair, new key, and the value of this key is Python programming. Click on the cell, run the cell. You see that the dictionary object will be updated. We check the content of D7. Click on the cell, run the cell. You can see in the last key value pair is object added. And now we check the view object obj, which contains all the keys. If we go through obj, it has a new element added, which is a new key. You can use a for loop and iterate over this dictionary object and access and process these keys. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Do hit that subscribe button for more such technical content. See you in the next video.